Having various types of defense equipment to strengthen defense has become an urgency for each country to maintain its sovereignty. One of the most important defense equipment is the fighter jet. This type of aircraft is relied upon to maintain the security of an airspace, or even to attack the enemy. The following is a list of the 10 best fighter jets in 2023 according to Air Rating. Starting from the 10th rank.
10. Sukhoi Su-35S. Russia's Sukhoi Su-30, Su-35 and Su-37 as well as China's Shenyang J-16 are based on the developed Su-27 platform with Generation 4.5 capabilities. However, the Su-35S is considered the ultimate version of them all. The jet is equipped with the latest Russian-produced electronic systems and is characterized by thrust vectoring engine nozzles that can turn in all directions, making the aircraft highly maneuverable. Nine. Dassault Rafale. The Rafale is a French mainstay fighter jet that continues to be developed. Type F3 is the newest variant with the most up-to-date weapon systems and sensors. Meanwhile, the Rafale F4 is currently under development and will include upgrades to the radar and avionics. This sophistication has made several countries including Indonesia interested in acquiring it. As is known, the Ministry of Defense officially purchased 42 Rafale fighter jets from the French aviation company, Dassault Aviation, in mid-February 2022. Eight. Eurofighter Typhoon. As the name implies, the Eurofighter Typhoon is designed to be a combined European fighter jet. However, the jet is also in demand from countries outside Europe, especially in the Middle East, such as Qatar and Saudi Arabia. The Typhoon is one of the most advanced fourth-generation jets, and its newest variant, Tranche 4, is equipped with software and hardware in the form of electronics and radar which can effectively destroy targets in the air and on the ground. 7. Boeing F-15X Eagle II. The F-15X Eagle II, developed by Boeing, is the most advanced version of the F-15, one of the first fourth-generation fighter jets to have reached its 50th birthday last year. This jet is equipped with avionics system technology and formidable weaponry so that it is of interest to many countries. Six. Shenyang FC-31 Gerfalcon. This fighter jet, developed by Shenyang Aircraft Company Limited, SAC, is claimed to be equipped with a sophisticated radar that can lock on several targets simultaneously, as well as stealth characteristics, or cannot be detected by opponents. SAC also offers similar capabilities but at a lower procurement cost than the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. 5. Sukhoi Su-57. This fifth-generation flagship fighter jet from Russia is capable of reaching supersonic speeds and is equipped with the most advanced radio, electronic equipment and electronic co-pilot technology. Various Western media even stated that the Sukhoi Su-57 was involved in the Russian invasion of Ukraine. 4. Kai KF-21 Borami. The KF-21 is the latest jet on this list to make a successful maiden flight in July 2022. Even so, the KF-21 has many features that are compatible with fifth-generation jets. This is because this fighter jet made in South Korea has a stealth design and Sebe. 2. Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. This fifth-generation Chinese fighter jet is designed to rival the F-22 and Su-57. The Chengdu J-20 can carry long-range missiles including the PL-15, PL-21 and LS-6 guided missiles. Although the detailed characteristics are kept secret, the front of the prototype looks similar to the F-22 Raptor and the rear looks like the Sukhoi T-50. 1. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II tops the list due to its cutting-edge air combat technology. Its sensor and data fusion systems allow it to collect and share information faster than